Hello trade boosters. In this video, I'll be taking you guys through a very two-step easy strategy suitable for beginners. The first indicator you're going to need is our Heikin Ashi candlesticks, of course. We're going to stick to the default settings, and we are going to add our super trend indicator by Kivansi OZ, that one. Cool. As you can see, we've got our indicator on there looking great. Now let's get started. I want to just show you guys how this indicator works and how you can take advantage of it. You can see, beautiful indicator. So the concept is very simple. I don't need to explain so much. If our indicator is oversold right here, see oversold, and we get a buy signal, like right here, get a buy signal. That was right here. As you can see, that was a nice signal. We had a nice trade. And if our indicator is oversold as such, and it touches the red area, so this is very important. It needs to touch the red areas and the green areas for us to consider an oversold or an overbought market. So we had another sell here. That was a nice sell. Take profit down here. And yeah, we had another buy right here. That was a nice buy signal. Stop loss here. And you want to target the high. There we go. It's quite simple, easy to use. Yeah, there's so many more. As you can see, there's so many great signals that would just popped up. Take advantage of this. Yeah, man, I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching the video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.